Your patents aren't the problem. Your tools are. Deadlines in a spreadsheet, filings buried in email, drafts in Word, and prior art scattered across a dozen tabs and multiple patent offices. And the bigger your portfolio grows, the more slips through. One missed annuity, one blown office action, and a patent you spent years on quietly lapses. It doesn't have to work this way. This is Design Your Invention, one platform that replaces your spreadsheets, your scattered searches, and your drafting tools. Patent operations all begin in one place. The whole portfolio on a single dashboard. Deadlines ranked by risk. NPE cases ready to triage. Office actions tracked to every date. Annuity fees scheduled across jurisdictions. And a full audit log recording every change. One search across more than 100 patent jurisdictions with full claims from the USPTO and the EPO. Open any patent, and we enrich it with compound data from CHEMBL and PubChem and link it to live clinical trials. From your invention and the prior art you saved, generate a filing-ready first draft. Independent and dependent claims, an abstract, and a full specification, written for the USPTO, the EPO, and beyond. Every claim is scored for confidence and checked against your prior art. Refine any claim in plain English and approve, all under attorney review. The attorney is the author and the AI is the assistant. Behind every patent is confidential data you cannot afford to expose. So we protect it on all 6 sides. Row-level security and tenant isolation. Immutable audit trails and granular roles. Enterprise single sign-on and zero retention AI. Together, they seal your intellectual property in a vault within a vault. Compliance ready for 21 CFR Part 11. Across more than 100 patent jurisdictions. Faster, compliant, future-proof, built for IP teams. Design your invention, your IP operations, all in one place. Book a demo today.